Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Pacific Western Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your financial goals. Consider what you want to save for, like a vacation or a new car. Next, gather your financial documents. This includes bank statements, pay stubs, and any other sources of income. Once you have your documents, list all your sources of income. Include your salary, side hustles, and any passive income. Now, list your fixed expenses. These are your bills that stay the same every month, such as rent or mortgage payments. Next, identify your variable expenses. These can fluctuate monthly, like groceries or entertainment. With a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to create your budget. You can use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet for this step. Set limits for each category of your spending. Make sure your expenses do not exceed your total income. Now, review your budget regularly. Check in monthly to see if you're staying on track or if adjustments are needed. Consider using Pacific Western Bank's tools and resources. They offer budgeting tools that can simplify this process. Save extra money where you can. Look for areas to cut back and redirect those funds toward your goals. As you track your spending, be mindful of lifestyle inflation. Keep your expenses in check as your income increases. Finally, celebrate your successes along the way. Recognize the small victories as you reach your financial goals. Budgeting is an ongoing process, and consistency is key. Stick with it, and you'll gain control over your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.